Welcome back to our fans. Today's topic is auto screen off setting in Oppo phone. How can you change in Oppo phone, guys? You want to change auto screen off, so you can change. In this video, guys, I will show you how to change it. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching video first time, so first of all, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting, and guys, we will on our phone setting. For it, display and brightness setting, guys, click here, auto screen off. So we will click on second one option. So guys, auto screen off will change 30 seconds. So guys, after 30 seconds your phone screen will off, guys. So I think, friends, you have understood how to change auto screen off setting in Oppo phone, and guys, how to use it in Oppo phone. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before, guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye, friends.